today we'll be playing Viewfinder. Sana madali lang siyang intindihin.
Great. We're in.
Yep. Actually, di ko alam kung anong genre nito.
I've never seen this much overgrowth before. It's beautiful.
Oh.
Is this what it used to look like? The world?
Yeah. Looks so pretty. Pwede ba mahulog? Hulog ako.
You okay? Your vitals look good. I guess we know now that falling doesn't hurt. That's some good news at least. Must be a way to get back up there. Oh, what? That's sick.
Wow. Ay!
Congress is trying it again, huh? Let's try another one for now.
Gusto ko lang namang ma-reach yung center. Is there a way for me to reach the center nang hindi na uhulog? Yay!
What's an old photograph doing here?
Right click to aim, then press. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, naalis na ba ako dito? Parang hindi ko pa na-appreciate lahat. But,
Hang on, did you just shift reality?
wow.
Teleporter! Glad you made it in one piece.
Oh my god. Teleport needs to be powered. Ito ba siya? Saan siya sinasaksak? Anyways. Pero ang daming batteries. Aww. Ang ganda dito. So, pwede ako mahulog?
You're being dramatic.
Doon ako galing? Oh my god, ang daming lumulutang na something. It's so quiet here. So, oh my god. Okay. Kailangan ko i-collect yung mga batteries. Kasi napipick up ko sila. Hindi ko alam kung sila isasaksak. Or baka dito lang dapat. Okay. Wow. Okay. Dito na ako, I guess. Naka-tilt? Takot ako. Baka mahulog ako. Batteries. Isa lang? Ah!
Hey, there we go.
Okay.
Whoa, this place definitely feels different than what we've seen so far.
Yep. Wow, bathtub pa. Ang ganda naman dito. Oh my god. Sana in 2100, ganito na yung mundo.
It must be a security measure. A structured path we have to follow. Well, let's find the next working one.
Ooh. So nice in here. Tapos mawawala kagad tayo dito.
This must be the next stage. Let's go.
Saan ko siya pwede lagay? I see. But, ala. Ooh, para makapasa ako dito. Okay, okay.
Follow the grey brick road.
Mhm. Wala. Yay! So,
Maybe there's a surface you can use to climb up there.
Beautiful as it is, carries so much weight. There is promise here, promise of a future we can surely achieve. Even now, I'm striving to reach heights I never thought possible. All that I hope is that everything we do here continues to have meaning out there as well. For our sake, for Aaron's sake.
wala ako naiintindihan.
I need to understand.
Ang galing naman, humihina siya. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Pero tapos na ako dito for sure, no? You need some things na lang na pwedeng i-interact. Dito, ano meron dito? Ooh! Huli. Saan ko siya pwede ilagay? What the hell? Hindi ako maka-enter. Ang galing lang na nakaka-adapt siya. Hindi siya yung nagki-cannot be. It's not recording pero hindi na siya kita. Needs to be powered. Okay, looking for batteries again. This guys. Parang hindi ko dapat siya gamitin. A treasure in the making. Wow. Tama-tama yung ginawa ko. Another one. Saan kaya? Oh. Okay. Cute. Pero nasan kaya yung isa pa? Sa loob nito. Who knows? Pero baka mali ako ng... Let's check it here. Yay! Oh!
It's alive.
Evil Afina. Sit. Okay. Ganda here. Ganda dito. The hell? This is a loop?
Oh, that's unusual.
Yep.
So the photo is acting a bit weird.
What the hell? Pero parang wala naman akong choice. Sana hindi na lang mag-collapse. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Welcome back. A little too soon for my liking, but happy to have you.
Kinabahan ako.
Seems like the simulation has been difficult in maintaining itself. We might need to reroute our power sources to keep it running. Bummer, but that's what we get for messing with old tech. Don't worry, love. We'll get it sorted and then
Oh
it's
my
off
god,
to the
kinabahan
races.
ako. Kala ko nasira yung laptop.
Don't be cruel, Jesse. These people were trailblazers. We could find a real tree of life in them. And isn't that incredible?
Mhm.
One thing's clear. The weather is really might be
What's this?
Who knew it would be this tricky to get ancient tech back in working order? Just so much junk lying around. But don't be cruel, Jesse. These people were trailblazers. We could find a real tree of life in there. Or is it more accurate to call it a living one? Well, either way, one thing's clear. The weather disruptor really might be.
Natakot ako ha. Mamaya may horror dito.
Nice work. Looks like we're back online.